Welcome to PA Timber Goose. Another rainy Saturday morning. Going to try some new chips. I've only seen these chips at Walmart and Sheetz. It's hard for me to pass them up. They have a very odd flavor and they're very addicting. Zapp's potato chips, New Orleans kettle style Voodoo. Let's see the little Voodoo dolls down here. It has a very odd flavor. I'm not going to spoil it. Hunting partner's with me today. He's never tried these, so I wanted to see the expression on his face when he eats it. I'm not going to tell him what it tastes like. Zapp's potato chips, New Orleans kettle style chips are cooked to perfection and combined with premium ingredients. This special results in a crunchier, tastier, unique potato chip experience, which we hope you will prefer. We thank you for buying our products. Enjoy. I guess that's in French. I have no idea what that says. And these are made by Hanover Chips in PA. Zapp's potato chips. All right, we're going to give this a try. These are so delicious. Usually get spicier when you get to the bottom. Let's see what his expression is with the first chip. What's it taste like?
Tastes like a little bit of vinegar, maybe some onion. Pretty good.
You taste the pickle?
Yeah, I guess that's the sour, a little bit of sour
Yeah.
taste.
It finishes with a pickle taste. No better face there.
No better face.
Thought I
I
had
like
him.
pickle chips.
I thought I had him. He drinks pickle juice. No pickle juice for me. All right, we're going to enjoy this bag of chips, and we'll be right back. There we go, Voodoo chips. How do you like your Voodoo chips?
They're good.
What flavor did you like the most?
I think the sourness of it was pretty good. The smoky flavor. You really taste the onion. Overall, it was good.
There you go. Get a bag from Sheetz. Give it a try. It's definitely an odd flavor. I think it has like a pickle taste to it. You can kind of taste the vinegar in the chips, but on the bag of ingredients it doesn't say vinegar. It might be a combination of the different secret spices in the bag of chips. Thanks for watching PA Timber Goose. If you like this video, give it a like. It really helps the algorithm. As always, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching PA Timber Goose.